or merchandise rail on wheels. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 71 inches and a depth to 30 inches. The height for each rail, we have 6 3/4 inches. Without the wheels, the thickness is 1.5 inches. The distance for each rail, we have 16 inches in length by 26 3/4 inches in depth. This applies for each opening in this rail. On each rail, there will be support brackets positioned in the front, back, and on each corner to hold the merchandise on top. And for the height of the caster wheels, we have 4 inches. Also included will be support braces to hold each rail. Each rail can be cut down to size, whether if it's the length or the depth. We have our ice cream dipping cabinets on top of a rail. Coming below, we have our brackets holding the freezer, along with the corner braces on each end. Again, we have our bracket holding the chest freezer in the front and back, along with the corner brackets. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this part.